fire with my eyeballs! No.
Ooh, Mom says never go to the carnival naked.
Oh, Mom did say that.
Why, sure, son.
No.
Sure, son. No. Wanna play roll chicken up in the mattress?
Hold your horses! Hold your horses!
Ooh, Mom says go to the carnival naked.
Whoa, this IOU system is terrific.
No.
Terrific. Watch this!
My butt!
Ooh, Mom says we want
all your ice cream!
Why, sure, son. Man.
Well, the next thing you know, he'll be shaking his...
Molting?
The molting fairy will pay you a visit tonight.
It's almost today! It's almost...
your ice cream.
I completely forgot. Him being the scab fairy and all. Well, you'll never get 700 bills from me, chicken. They could be worth gold. Now my brother could maybe leave you change for $1. Him being the fairy and all. Got any scabs? I completely got change for $1. Being the change for $1 fairy. Got any scabs? They could be worth scabs. Now my brother could maybe leave you scabs. Him being the scabs and all. Calling scabs. They could be worth gold. Well, you'll never get 700 scabs. Now my brother could be worth gold. Well, you'll completely forget bills from me, chicken. Being me and all. Gotta go. Bye-bye, chicken. Remember to put your ice cream under your pillow.
Dad, can I wear some of your clothes?
You want all flavors, but we have 5,000 flavors. Chocolate.
Anybody got any hot boiling glue?
Oh, Mom did say that.
Did he say feathers?
Yes, feathers.
Did he say feathers?
No.
Allow me to help myself.
You busted my meat machine.
Hold your...
You busted my meat machine. Why, sure.
Ooh, Mom says...
Let's get cotton candied meat.
Why, sure.
Scabs.
Scabs!
Hey,